Hello, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is my hand. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we're going to be organizing my makeup collection. As you can see, it's not a lot, just a little bit of tiny things. So yeah, so I need to clean this mess. I've had this for a while now and I'm like, okay, I need to clean it. So if you want to see how I'm going to organize all this, stay tuned. So yes, let's get started. I hope the camera is not crooked. If it is, I'm sorry, but I try my best to make it look a little bit more aesthetically pleasing so you can see what I'm doing. I do have a lot of like stuff here, so I'm gonna start by dumping everything out here. And this bag, this makeup bag, I got this at TJ Maxx. I think it was like $10, really inexpensive. I'm gonna dump everything, I'm gonna organize everything. I try to be really clean with all of my makeup products, but sometimes it's not very possible to do so. I'm gonna get a clean paper towel and clean everything inside here because it's a little bit messy. I don't know if you can tell, like it's a little bit messy, so I'm gonna get a paper towel and start cleaning this. I need like a new makeup bag to store all my makeup because as you can see, this is a little tiny bag. I can't fit everything here, but I try to organize it as much as I can so I can put all my makeup. And it does have like a little zipper here, but too, it's a little bit full already. But I'm gonna start with this part first. I'm gonna organize the makeup and then I'm gonna start with this part. If you guys recommend any makeup bags, let me know in the comments below because I really need like a bigger makeup bag to store all my makeup. I tend to have like these little makeup pouches as well. These I got this one when I purchased some brushes from Morphe, and it came in a little pouch. And then I also use this makeup bag from Victoria's Secret, and I got it in 2013, as you can see, 2013. So on these typical bags, I like to store my makeup. The everyday makeup that I use, I like to store it right here because it's really convenient to just get the little bag and start doing my makeup. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start by organizing my blushes and highlighters on this section. Really cute Cargo Cosmetics blush, really pretty. I think it would be so good for the summer and spring right now. So highly recommend it, and they're so pigmented too. Like you only need a little bit and it's like super pigmented. I don't know if the camera's catching up, but super pigmented. So I'm gonna start by putting the blush here. The Lorac blush. My blush is here. This one, blush here. I don't have like a method to organize this. I just try my best to organize everything because I like to keep everything in a little section just in case when I need it, I know where to go with. I'll apply my highlighters, my blush. I tend to keep all my makeup in the packages like these. I don't know why I like to do that, but I think I'm gonna remove the package because it's gonna have a lot of room. Oh, yeah, so I think I'm gonna, should I don't know. I'm removing from the package, I'm gonna put it like this, like these. This Urban Decay bronzer, it doesn't have anything in it. Well, it has some crumbs there and I don't want to throw it away because this is a really good bronzer. So I'm gonna still keep this and I'm gonna try to use whatever product I can because it's a really, really good bronzer. And this is the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer. Keep this. I also have this Bare Minerals bronzer and I got this like a long time, like in a little sample. Really nice bronzer. I haven't bought the full size because it does last a long time. And I've had this, and this is the shade Skinny Deep from Bare Minerals. Really like nice bronze colors. Right now, I don't know what's up with me, but I'm very attracted to bronzers right now. And then these And these highlighters from Wet n Wild, these are really good. If you're looking for inexpensive highlighters, these are the ones to go with. And this is in Precious Petal. And this one's in, what is it? Crown of Canopy. I put these against here. And then the Love Side the color, this is the Dose of Colors. I'm gonna keep the packaging of this one because I really like the packaging of it. It's very simple and I don't know, I like it. So I'm gonna keep it like that. Put it like this. It's so hard to organize makeup, and I really don't have like those Alex drawers or anything like that. I only have like a little space on my like on my cubicle thing on my bathroom, and that's where I store my makeup. So I like to keep it in a little bag like this. Hopefully one day I do have like some type of Alex drawers or something to keep all my makeup, but honestly I think this works for me. This, the NARS. And this Meteorites packaging, I think I'm gonna keep it like this too, because I think the box itself could open and all the product can't come out, and I don't want that, so I'm gonna keep it inside the packaging here. And I'm gonna keep this one outside because I can leave that one outside the bag. Then my translucent powder, I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. And then another bronzer. I know you guys seen this, like I wear this all the time. It's a really good bronzer, the Omega Tentastic from Marc Jacobs. This is a really good product. Honestly, let me see, where do I have? I also have the Marc Jacobs foundation, and this is the Marc Jacobs the Biscuit Light Genius Gel Foundation. And honestly, I love the Marc Jacobs bronzer, but the foundation, it's not a good one. I do not recommend you to get this one. It breaks apart. It was really hard to work with. I tried to try different primers with it, and honestly it didn't work for me, so I wouldn't recommend this foundation. I also tried their mascaras. I don't have the mascara with me because I threw it away because I finished it, but this one, I don't have any product. If I would have any product, I would do like a review on it so you guys could see on camera how it works. But honestly, I don't recommend it. For me, it didn't work. Like always, something that works for me might not work for you, or something that doesn't work for me might work for you. But this one honestly did not work for me. So I'm gonna keep this out. I'm still gonna keep it because I like the packaging of it. The packaging is really cute, and I think I could do something crafty with it. So I'm still gonna keep it. Powders here. I'm gonna put this one right over here. Eyeshadows. I really love these eyeshadows from Wet n Wild. They're so easy to use and very convenient. I did a video using this palette. Really pretty. I love the shades. It's really, really cute. Let me swatch it here. Like this blue one, oh my goodness. It's so pigmented and so pretty and really, really nice. And this one too, oh my goodness. It's like super pretty gold. Really cute. I did a tutorial. I'm gonna link that video up there so you guys can see it if you want to check it out. And so I think I'm gonna put those in a separate bag by themselves so they won't be right here. This here. Oh, and then my primer. This BB cream has been one of my favorite BB creams to use. It does have SPF, which is good. The only thing, it does have a strong smell to it, but other than that, it's a really good BB cream.
Brushes. Primers.
This foundation, it was one of my really, really good foundation, the Too Faced Pitch Perfect, but I'm out of this foundation, so this goes to the garbage. And the CC cream. Oh, by the way, I got this new ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I can't wait to try it on. I think the next video I'm gonna use this concealer, and I don't know, I'm pretty excited to try it. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna be trying this concealer. Then my powder, my big powder. This powder, the Chanel powder, was one of my first high-end powders that I bought. And honestly, it is a little bit expensive, but you get a lot of product. And how much product do you get? You get 30 grams. It is 1 ounce. It might seem like it's not a lot, but honestly it is a lot, and I've had this for like about 3 years now. I know it's bad to keep makeup for that long time, but it's still running and I still have a little bit left and I really love it. And would I buy it again? Yes, but right now, you know, I have to budget my money, so can't right now, but it's one of the best powders. Mascara here. I'm gonna keep this one out. So I think I'm finished with this side. Now we're gonna jump into this part of the bag and we're gonna try to organize this. I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna do all my lip products. I'm actually gonna put them right here on this Morphe bag because I don't want to put all my lip products here. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put all my lippy products on this little pouch. So let's just start. Oh, this is one of my favorite lip liners, and this is from Bobbi Brown, and this is in shade Nude. It's a really nice burgundy brownish lip liner. Highly recommended. And what I like about this Bobbi Brown lip liners is that when you buy the lip liner, it comes with a little sharpener, which is really good because you always need to sharpen them, and I like that idea. So I'm gonna place my lip liners here. That's it. Yeah, I think that's it. So I'm gonna close this baby up. At least try to close it. Come on. Okay. At least we try to close it. So this one's done. Okay, next bag. On this bag, I'm gonna put all my foundations here. I think it will be good because it's a really nice big bag here, and I can place all my foundations and know that my foundations are here. This is it for this bag, and honestly I think I'm gonna put some, you know what, I have these single eyeshadows from Makeup Geek. I use them sometimes, not a lot, but they're good colors, and I don't have like a palette, a magnetic palette to put these in, so I think I'm gonna stick this, I'm gonna stick these eyeshadows into here just because I don't want them to get ruined. So I think this will be perfect. Okay, going back into the pouch here. I semi-clean it. It looks okay, you know, it's not the best, but still, we're gonna make it work. On this little pouch, I'm gonna put all like the little small trial size of things that I have. You know, I have some little, like little small samples of stuff, and I think I'm gonna put here like the, these kinds of samples, and I'm also gonna put like all the little stuff that I have, and some eyebrow products. So I'm gonna place that here. For this little pouch. So I think I got everything organized here. Everything looks okay. Seems like it's working. And then I think I'm gonna keep this one out. Oh, I actually picked this up today from the Dollar General, and this is the beauty sponge from the the brand Believe Beauty. It's a new brand that Dollar General is now carrying. And I saw this sponge and it totally reminded me of the Tarte sponge, the purple sponge. And it's only $4, and it feels so soft too, so I can't wait to try it. So stay tuned for the next video because I'll be trying this sponge out. I'm gonna place this here. My other favorite sponge is this from Studio 35, I believe. I picked this up at Walgreens. I'm gonna keep this one out because as you can see, I have to clean it up. And I think that's it. And although my bag doesn't semi-close, I think it will be good. I'm just gonna close it halfway. So I think we're good. We have our 3 bags here of makeup. So these I'm gonna put it to the side. And then, so I hope I was able to inspire you to clean up your makeup, to organize your makeup collection. I know this video was like really random, but today I felt like cleaning. Sometimes, you know, you have those days that you just want to clean and just declutter everything and it makes you feel better. So today I wanted you just to show how I clean my stuff, how I organize or semi-organize. So yeah, so I'll see you next time, and thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy, and thank you so much.